even babize thina songosibari babo abantu bakakhwela umusa sibizile thina songosibari bakhe mina njengobhuti nje omdala kasamelisiwe wasesichazela ukuthi no amakhosikazi la.
At this point, I feel like I need to be somewhere in Mzumbe because a lot is going on. Now Samke's brother is out here clearing the air, talking about there's no animosity, there's no issues between Samke and the wives. Even the other wives moving from Mzumbe, Musa told them that they had stayed there for the longest of time, that is preparing for Samke to stay there. And no, people, whatever they've seen on social media, on the newspapers, that there are issues between the wives and his sister, that is false. He's saying there are no issues. Everything is okay. Everything is peaceful in the Mselko household. He even went on to say that what is bothering him right now is that people will be calling him here and there asking questions about his sister, and he doesn't like that at all. As the family, they're asking for privacy. But people are out here saying, this one is cloud chasing. This one likes so bad the attention that comes with being Samke's brother. But hey, take a look at what he's saying and let's continue in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.
Sanibona bafowethu ubhuti kasamelisiwe khwela lo eMzumbe unkosikazi kaMseleku. Bafowethu cabanga ukuthi abantu abaningi bayizwile lento ey'ndabeni ey'ningi kuma-social media nakuma-newspaper indaba zokuthi umusa amakhosikazi akhe sehlala eThekwini. No, ayikho ingxabano phakathi kwasisi namakhosikazi kamusa amadala. Kuyikona ukuthi laba bantu uxoxisanile nabo. Even babize thina songosibari babo abantu bakakhwela umusa sibizile thina songosibari bakhe mina njengobhuti nje omdala kasamelisiwe wasesichazela ukuthi no amakhosikazi la amanye uyawasusa eMzumbe kuba sehlala isikhathi eside uzosehlala yena-ke usisi usamukelisiwe. So sasithina somndeni no asiyiboni into eyinkinga lapho because vele ushadele emzini. Akuthi amakhosikazi amanye enze njani ayikho ukuthi inkinga futhi abanangxabano-ke usisi namakhosikazi kaMseleku. Manje into esesiphatha kabuhlungu asikwazi isho ukuhamba endleleni mina abantu bezindaba bayintatheli ziyasibuza imibuzo nosisi akasakhululekile ngami njengobhuti wakhe sengikhuluma njalo kancane kancane ngiyafonelwa kuthiwa kwenzakalani. No bafethu sicela bafethu nisinike zi-private sayithanda nathi i-private somndeni ngiyabonga.